Hi, I just got these new travel toiletry holders, and I thought I'd show them to you and take a first look at them. So first of all, they come in this little bag that does have a little zip top, so that's nice because I know for me personally, I'll probably travel with that. There's a little sheet inside of here, but that's just nothing important there. You've got 3 different bottles in 3 different colors. We have this blue color, this pink or kind of coral, and then this taupe color. I know for me personally, for some reason, I always think of shampoo in the pink bottle, conditioner in the blue bottle, and body wash in this other one. Of course, you could use other things, like if you wanted to put lotion in one, or, you know, you can use that as you like. Would be easy to probably label them too, or to write a little something on them. Anyhow, they seem to be pretty durable. Here is the cap. So that has a nice little snap to it. And seems to close pretty well. Let's do that again. Yeah. Seems nice and secure. And then let's look at how big the mouth is for putting, okay, that's a pretty good size. It's fairly large, so I think that would be pretty easy to, you know, add things like shampoo, conditioner, that sort of thing. I can't decide looking at it. Probably easier if you're doing something that you can just pour directly in, but you could also put the mouth of like a pump right in there too. So I could see how that could work. They feel pretty firm. I've seen some of these that are more of a silicone. This isn't like the kind that are gonna mush all the way down. They're pretty solid in their kind of state, if that makes sense. But I like them. I really like the colors. I especially really like this taupe color. I don't know if I've seen this before. Anyhow, I hope this was helpful for you. It's definitely gonna come in handy for me. I travel overseas, and there's certain things that I like to bring from home with me when I'm going for a long time, like bubble bath, that I have a really hard time finding in Spain. So I've actually bought 2 sets of these so that I can fill them up and take them with me. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you.